Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Thumbs up from us as usual. Got another short and sweet one for you today. My last video was all about this, the BCB survival kit, mini mess tin, and this one is going to be about these two containers, mainly about this one. You don't have to have these tins to make a kit in them. You can use other containers. You can use something like this. This was, I bought a little lighter in here. A little lighter. They also sell torches and other little bits and bobs. But you don't have to throw these away. You can keep these and build a little survival kit in one of these as well. They've got a rubber seal. And you can lock it. Let's unlock it, unlock it. You can put a keychain on there, put it around your neck. Take it swimming with you, somewhat waterproof. Another little kit, another little box, another little container. I picked up one of these in the local supermarket. I won't name which one. $1.99. It's actually collapsible. Let me just open it. Won't collapse while it's closed like that. So it's a collapsible one, food grade. Yeah, you can build a little kit in here, no problemo. Okay, you can't boil water with it, but you can sure put, the same things as you've got in here into here. It doesn't have to be a metal container. It could be one of these. Like I said, it could be one of these. I mean, I do have an SAS tin in a old tobacco tin. But yeah, just wanted to show you a couple more ideas for a survival kit, SAS survival kit. Doesn't have to be in a metal container. The advantages are in the metal container is that you can boil water in these ones. Sadly, in the plastic one you can't, but you can still hold a lot of kit inside them. So yeah, this is the collapsible one. The good thing about this as well, I mean, you could just put it in your bag, your bug out bag, empty, and you may find things along the way, and then you fill it up and bang it into your bug out bag. But yeah, just another idea, a couple of ideas there for another SAS survival kit. You can put the stuff in here and that'll be just as good a container. The only thing is you can't boil water in it. Okay, guys and girls, thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button, the thumbs up, the subscribe button, notification bell, all the good stuff. I appreciate you all. I'll see you on the next one. God bless. Bye.